That 48 you guys are just talking about is,
Yes.
is higher than the high of the day at 3 p.m. and it's what, 9:15?
Crazy.
Yep, that's nuts. And we're taking it, as Kirsten just said, because this is way warmer than it has been. The weekend was just, I mean, not the weekend, the last week was brutal. So 43 to 48, that's the range of temperatures. It says the winds are out of the northwest. That's misleading. The warm front is bringing up warmer air, and that's why we're close to our high for the day already. Radar, dry. Umbrella, not needed. I say umbrella. You're saying, Byron, it's December. You should say precipitation. It could be snow. It could be sleet. It could be a mixed bag of weather. You're right. However, no. With the warm front, this is all warm air. Therefore, it's rain to the west of us, and it's not heading here today. At 45 after the hour, this could be a big storm. I will break it down for you, so stick around till 45 after the hour and I'll give it to you. Now is the focus on the temperature. Story number 2 in my toolbox. A lot of different things, try to figure out what's happening in the atmosphere. If you get a south wind, which we're doing now with the warm front, see what happens, watch. That air that's 80 degrees in Miami is transported on the Greyhound bus towards us, takes our temperature 10 to 20 degrees above our average high. The opposite is the north wind, which that was over us like Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, had wind chills in the teens. That brings down the colder air. North wind right now. Winds are going to be out of the south today and picking up from Harlem, Astoria, Queens, into Jersey City, Scarsdale, Westchester, Hempstead, Long Island. Range of temperatures 55, if not to 60 degrees. It is possible to get up to 60 in the Bronx, I believe in Queens and New Jersey. Central Park never wants to play with the temperature you want, and so it's probably hard pressed to get to 60 at Central Park, but we don't live in Central Park, do we? We're in Harlem, we're in the Heights, we're in Hell's Kitchen. With winds out of the southwest today and tomorrow, that's going to transport warmer air up towards us. But Sunday, this is the actual sustained winds. You see 30 up to 30 miles an hour towards Long Island from Queens over towards the Hamptons. That wind will gust even stronger than that tomorrow as the front approaches and the area of low pressure develops. If the rain does not occur until at least 5 p.m., 4 or 5 p.m., these temperatures are attainable. The low to the upper 60s, if not a 70 in New Jersey, that's possible, if not a 70 in the Bronx. I know it sounds nuts because our average high is around 45 degrees, and that would be what, 55, 65, 25 degrees above average. It is attainable with a strong push of warm air from Miami. Enjoy it because by Tuesday morning, that north wind I told you about in Canada will be on top of us and we'll have teens for temperatures, wind chills. 57 today and then rain. I'll talk about that at 45 after the hour tomorrow, but get out and enjoy it. Kirsten, John.